Welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're talking about how to set up your MIDI parameters. Okay, here we have an upright piano. Let's listen to how it sounds. All right, so we want to control this fader right here that controls the volume. So we're going to go to MIDI, click the fader, and move a fader on our MIDI controller, and there it is. Notice how it defaults to 6 dB as the max. We don't want that. We want it to stop at 0 dB when we turn it up. So let's turn it up. And there, the max is 0. All right, let's switch that to -12. This comes in handy in a live environment if you have a ton of different layers and you want to be able to map and control a lot of different parameters. Now we want to map some parameters of a third-party plugin. So here we have Valhalla. In order to see all the parameters that you can map, you have to click on this arrow, and there they all are. So here we're just going to control the mix. So I'm going to click on Mix, select my fader, and notice the max is 1, so that's full mix. So we're going to cut that in half and put 0.5. Let's check it out. So when I push my fader, I'm going to push the fader all the way up, but it should stop me at 50%. So here we go. Yep, looks good. All right, let's make that 75%. So we'll hit our MIDI, 0.75. Let's check it. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.